big thing for us, and I think the market right now, is inventory. I mean, distribution has been built upon a whole bed of having the right inventory, but I think what's happened in the last few years, things have changed a lot. So you have some distributors who are keen to have the right inventory for supply chain models, and you have other distributors who are keen to have the right inventory for MPI. It's really important from a distribution standpoint that you get that right in terms of where you fit in the market, because for some distributors who are wanting to help an engineer, it's much more important to have a breadth of inventory. So an engineer who's looking to do a design really is not interested in huge volume that you have, but he really wants to make sure that if he wants to design with a TI or a Maxim or an ADI or T, whoever it is, that he can find the maximum number of parts in one place. So what you found over the years is there's different distributors who've come along and recognized that part of the market to say that we're gonna broaden the inventory. We're gonna make sure we have more parts available, so it makes the design engineer's job easy. Now, linked to that is the website. It's very important that these days you don't have engineers from either a distributor or a manufacturer seeing so many customers, so they're finding it on the web. They're using tools on the web, they're using the inventory that's on the web, they're using the design tools which are there, so they're pulling the whole thing together themselves, because most engineers are pretty smart. They have the ability, they have the knowledge to do that. So now what we're finding is, from a distribution standpoint, that having that breadth of inventory is really, really important. Having the depth where you need it for other customers in the supply chain is important, but less so from an engineering standpoint. So if we look at it from Mouser, that's the focus that we've had. It's you make sure we have the breadth of inventory from all our manufacturers, offer up these parts to the engineer, make his job as easy as you can, so when he sees a new product, he knows where to come for it. He can just build his board, he can build his bill of materials, he can keep coming back every day, every week, every month, and eventually hopefully press the button and buy it. So that's how we see distribution, and we see the big changes which have happened, and certainly MPI is the focus that we have at Mouser, and we believe we lead the way.